Bow wow wow. Welcome guys. I got a really fun painting today with the tape up method. As you can see, I started it a little early. Here it is. Started it a little early. We're going to the second stage of it here so you can kind of understand what I'm doing here. Painting's called Twist and Shout. Perfect name for it. Twist and shout. That's what we're gonna do if it fucks up. Anyways, let's get going. So today, I got this frog tape. Frog tape. Looks like this. I got a big thick roll of it here too, but this is the same thing, but a little thinner. And it's specially made for curving on cars and stuff, and also curving on canvas, but you can make do. Just make it twist a little bit and shout. Anyways, frog tape. You want to make sure it's frog tape, and then I got some pinstriping tape for automobile pinstriping. Just a regular masking tape for pinstripe. It's a little stickier, but it curves real well. Alright, so let's get this party rolling. First thing I'm going to do is probably find the black spray paint. Where is it? Let me find it. Alright, here it is. Okay, here we go. Got to get in those areas in there pretty good. Spray paint painting. Try to get the corners pretty dark. Okay, you don't want it too heavily saturated, but just enough. Because you want a nice contrast of different tones. Okay, that's pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, get my old trusty 45-year-old hairdryer. Just a little bit, just to make sure the tape's set. Not too crazy. Get that tape to unstick a little bit better. Alright, so here we go. We're going to get one of our little got to get it lifted up. There we go. We're gonna make do here. Look at all that. Try to get as much off of it as you can in one whack. You know what I'm saying? And this tape is all twisted cool. There we go. Cool, cool, cool. Throw it in the trash. Let's keep going. Get this corner over here. Get these corners down over here a little bit. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at that. Alright, you having fun yet? You're going to stress out doing this. Alright, everybody, try this. It's fun. You could probably get away with using regular masking tape. You buy it at Home Depot or something, or Walmart. I don't care. Yeah. Like I said, it's tough to get off, but that's okay. Just rip it off. Bite the bullet. It's like pulling a Band-Aid off a cut. Hurts like hell, but when it's off, it feels good. Feels good. Okay, so this is the first stage. Get aggressive, take it all off. There we go, look at that. Isn't that cool already? Now you could just leave it like that if you wanted to. That's just so cool, just black and white. We're gonna add another layer. So here we go. Add another layer. And here's what we're doing with this tape. You want to go over the areas that you already had, but you want to twist around the ones you already had before so you don't repeat the shapes. See what I'm saying? You don't want to repeat the shapes, so just kind of and bend it with your hand. Bend it. Bend that tape with your hand. See that? Just bend it. Some of it might break, it doesn't matter. Just kind of add back into it. Kind of twist it. Twist it and shout while you're doing it. There we go, see? You want to make sure that composition's really tight. And curve the tape. See what I'm doing? Look at that over here. And just tear that tape. Right there. It doesn't matter if it sticks out at the edge either. You don't care. You don't care about any of that. Okay, you just want it to stick right there. See that? We're going to come down with it right here and kind of twist it this way. There we go. Pretty neat. Gotta get tough. Gotta get tough with it. Don't let it beat you. All right, we're gonna curve it right through here. Let's go this way with it. Curve it up a little bit. There we go. All right, curve it up. See how I'm doing that? Doesn't even matter. Let's go ahead and break this pattern up a little bit. Yeah, this pattern is all weird, so we're gonna twist it up. Yep. Oh, there we go. Let's get a nice vertical going here. And we'll curve it, and then curve it back up again, curve it back up. You want to use a good canvas for this. You don't want to use a piece of crap canvas, because if you do, it'll just be all caving in on you. So you want to make sure you use a really tight canvas. It's going to wrinkle in a few places. Who cares? We don't care. That's the whole that's the whole idea of the pattern. See, you're just kind of see how I'm kind of turning it with my hand. There we go. One more in that corner over here. Just kind of. Okay. That's pretty good. Now we're going to get the pinstriping tape, this thinner stuff here, and we're going to start in the corner. There we go. Just going to cross grade that, cross grade it, turn it. Let's break it there. And we'll get some more going over here. And kind of just twist it, twist it, twist it. Twist it, twist it over here. Look at that. You want to right in that white spot. And then we're going to twist it, cross it over. Takes a little bit of a skill, not too much. Boy, don't have any air conditioning in here. It's hot. Anyways, stay with me, guys. Second phase here is pretty cool. All right, see, we're getting all that pinstripe in there. Let's go across this a little bit. Kind of curve it a little bit here. Let's cross that. Let me give it like a David Lee Roth look there. Van Halen feel. All right, I'm liking that. Maybe over here, I want that kind of like a break it off, and we're going to curve it right across this piece over here. Liking that. I'm liking that a lot. See, you don't have to worry about all that area here. There we go, sit. And just tape it right there. We're good. We're good, dude. I like that. That's enough twists in there. Enough shouts in there. Maybe one more right here. All right, that's good enough. Now, we're going to get some machine gray, guys. Machine gray right here. Brandy can machine gray. So that's what's going to give it its second tone. Second tone. And you want to do a fade in and fade out. Some of it's going to be harder, some of it's not. So you kind of just fade it out a little bit. See what I'm talking about? Just fade it out a little bit. Okay, now it's like that. Now I'm going to get some white spray paint. And we're going to get a lid. We're going to get a lid, just spray it. Spray a little bit of white in there. Some of it's going to hit the tape, some of it's not. That's what we're hoping for. Some of it's going to hit the canvas, some of it's not. And then some of it we're going to take off the tape and then hit the canvas with it. Right now we're just trying to get some in there so it minimalizes the spots and the drips. Okay, that's it with the white. Let's store that away. Now we're going to start tearing this canvas tape off. Wait a minute, before we do that, let's go ahead and just give it a shot. Hair dryer. Give it a little bit of a hair dryer so it gets a little sticky. So it kind of sets the spray paint. So, and it lifts the tape easier too. Hopefully you can hear me still. Whoa! Twist it, shout! Okay, that's good enough. Let's get it going. Let's start turning that tape off. And you want to grab a piece of tape like that. Can I see that? And just to get to the end and start turning that thing off. Find a nice point spot. Get rid of it. Look at that. Crazy, huh? Crazy! Gotta get crazy, get aggressive. Take all your stuff out. Twist and shout. Look at that. Oh my God, that is stunning, dude. If I ever seen it myself. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get a little silver blast. We're gonna get some silver and gold. So silver is gonna give it some sparkle. Some sparkle jazz. Look at that, a little sparkle, silver. Silver jazz. Try to hit those white areas right there, see that? Maybe one right there. A little bit more right there. Oh, there we go. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna offset it a little bit with gold. So we'll get some gold. We like the gold because we're gonna offset that with gold and red. Shake the pan up a little bit. Twist and shout it. Oh yeah, that gold's gonna look real nice to the reds. A little bit more down here at the bottom. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A little here. Oh, there we go. Pop, 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 pop. Isn't that crazy? Pop, pop. It's badass. Okay, now we're going to finalize it with some red. So let's get some red in there. Some red, 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 red. Okay. Easy with the red. Don't get too crazy. It's just an accent with the red. Just to give it a nice little lively pop. That's where you gotta kind of shake it a little bit. Hit the whites, try to aim for the whites. We're doing this, aim at it like that, see? See how I'm aiming for the white areas? Don't want too many big blocks in there. Okay, one more time. Right there, oh yes. Okay, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoy that painting. Try it out. Twist and shout. Check it out. Tape method. That's right. What you could do with masking tapes, guys, is crazy. And here's it horizontal if you wanted to try it that way. I like it this way. It's the way I created it, just like that. All right, peace out.